Hey, my name is Brewer, and in this video, I'm going to share with you 8 secrets that allow me to make $300,000 to $500,000 in profit every single year, leveraging automated systems and other people's products. So let's go ahead and jump into the computer here, and I'll reveal these 8 secrets for you right now. So these 8 secrets actually come from a 100% free course that I created that you can get access to. This course is going to teach you the #1 beginner-friendly online business model. You can get that by clicking on the link that's below the video, but before you run off and get access to that 100% free course, make sure you watch this entire video until the end, because this is going to be a summary. And this is important because this is going to very quickly show you how to do the exact same thing that I'm doing to make money online. All right, let's jump right into it. These are the 8 secrets that allow me to make $300,000 to $500,000 in profit every single year. Secret number 1, the easiest business model is affiliate marketing. And I know this because I've tried just about everything, from coaching to creating courses to drop shipping to blogging and really everything in between. I've tried it all. The reason affiliate marketing is the easiest business model is because you promote other people's products, you get paid a commission. That means you only have to focus on driving traffic to your affiliate links, which track your referrals. You let the company that you're partnering with handle all the product creation, customer service, fulfillment, all that stuff. They even charge the credit cards. But what happens is when you refer somebody with your unique affiliate link and then they go buy this third-party product, that third-party company will pay you the commission. It's a win-win arrangement that companies set up so they can control their marketing costs. And this is how people like you and me can take advantage. Secret number 2 is money is in money, and high ticket is the way to go. So often when I'm talking to people who want to start a side hustle, they think to themselves, oh, Brian, that sounds great. You make a lot of money. How do you do it? And I tell them, and they say, well, that sounds great, but I don't want to do that, or I don't think I can be in that niche. But here's the thing. You wouldn't go buy real estate in the middle of a desert. If you had money, if you had the means, and you wanted to become a player in the real estate industry, you would buy real estate in New York or an emerging city like Dallas. You got to go where the money is. And in online business, money isn't money. Luckily, even as a beginner, you can enter the make money niche, because what you're going to do is you're going to become like a reporter. And all you're going to do is share the cool things that you learn that will attract people who want to make money. Then you can refer them to make money online products. And high ticket is the way to go. This is a non-negotiable because it takes the same amount of effort to make a sale of $30 as it does to make a sale of $1,000. The reason this is true is because you are going to be using automated systems as an affiliate marketer. This means you just have to send traffic and let the automated systems filter out the buyers from the non-buyers. So would you rather make a $1,000 sale or a $30 sale? The answer is the $1,000 sale, because a $1,000 sale can pay you a much higher commission than a product that's $30. Secret number 3, if you want to be successful, you have to believe your comfort zone, and you have to be willing to do so. And I know this sounds cliche, that growth happens outside the comfort zone, but here's the thing. I'm not talking about the comfort zone of what you're willing to do to make money. I'm talking the comfort zone of life. And what that means is right now you probably have a job and you probably have some sorts of income. If you're watching this video, you probably want to have more income and, more importantly, more time freedom. Well, you can do that, but in the beginning, when you're first starting a side hustle, the first thing that's going to happen is you're actually going to have less time. So this means if you want to start a side hustle that's going to help you make money so you can eventually quit your job and get more time freedom, in the beginning, it's actually going to suck more. So what happens is people go out there and they decide they want to start a side hustle, and they get home from work and they start working on their little side business, and this takes time. This takes time away from what they normally do to comfort themselves, whether that be watch Netflix or go out to eat or go to a movie or drink a 6-pack of beer, right? That's your comfort zone. And if you want to have an amazing, great life, you're going to have to do great things. Part of that is leaving your comfort zone, working harder in the beginning so that later on down the road, those investments that you make, and I'm not talking about monetary investments, I'm talking about those investments of time that is going to take you to create your side hustle, they will start paying dividends down the road exponentially. And then someday, when those start paying off, you'll see the compound interest of your efforts, and you'll be able to live an amazing lifestyle making more money than you ever thought possible. Number 4 is keep it simple. When you're first getting started, people have this idea that they want to have multiple streams of income. Somewhere somebody said that millionaires have 7 streams of income. Well, when you're first getting started, that's too complex. If you try to create multiple streams of income in the beginning, what's going to happen is you're going to put some of your efforts towards this stream and some of your efforts towards this stream. And if you try to create 3 streams of income, you're only giving 33% of your effort to each one. And probably, if you're not skilled, if you're not an expert, you're going to have trouble making money and competing with 33% of your effort. So what you should do instead is choose one affiliate product to promote, build one funnel, and focus all of your energy on growing that as high as possible. From my experience, it's pretty reasonable to get one stream of income between $20,000 to $50,000 a month over time if you put 100% of your efforts towards it. So in the beginning, don't get fancy, just focus on one product and one funnel. Secret number 5 is trust the market. This is a big one. If you're going to be an affiliate marketer, then you're going to have to find an affiliate product to promote. And the right affiliate marketing product can make all the difference in the world, because a high converting product that pays you a good commission that there is a proven demand for will make your job so much easier. So what you should do is you should go out into the market and see what other people are promoting. And don't worry about saturation. That's a common mistake that beginners make. They think, oh, there's so many people promoting this product, it must be saturated. Well, that's the way social media algorithms work. If you start to take interest in something, you tend to see more of it. So it seems like it's saturated. But really, if there's a lot of people promoting a product, that's just a tiny little subset of the entire market. And the reason people are promoting that product is because they're making money with the product. So as an affiliate, you can promote whatever you want. So if affiliates are promoting a product, that means there's money to be made. So just hop on, promote the products that you see other people promoting, and reverse engineer your business backwards from that amazing product. Secret number 6 is funnels are your friend. Automate as much as possible, okay? Funnels are just a fancy way of saying website and automated email follow-up. If you automate that in the beginning, then that takes so much off your plate down the road. Instead of worrying about converting people into commissions, you let the automated funnels handle that for you. And if that is set up from the beginning, then you can just focus all of your free time and all of your energy on driving traffic. You don't get bogged down with the sales processes, and that's how you scale in your spare time. Secret number 7 is use the LDT formula for affiliate marketing. And the LDT formula is simply learn, do, teach. In the beginning, you might not know a whole lot about the make money online niche, but guess what? You're going to be learning things. You're going to be learning things from this video. You're going to be learning things from the free course linked below that I created for you. When you learn things, share things. If you learn what a funnel is, share it. If you learn how to build a funnel, share it. If you learn what an email autoresponder sequence is, share it. If you find a good software that makes this super easy, share it. And continue to share everything you're learning about making money online with affiliate marketing. Because what's going to happen is when you do that, you're going to attract other people who are going to be interested in making money online. Then, because I told you that money is in money, you can refer people to these make money products. And because they were interested, because you were teaching them cool things, they're going to want to go learn more, and they're going to go buy it from the expert who you partnered with as an affiliate, right? Sounds a little bit crazy, but that's how it works. And secret number 8 is you don't have to be in affiliate marketing forever. This is a big one. Affiliate marketing opens a lot of doors. I already told you in secret number 1 that affiliate marketing is the easiest online business model. But here's the thing. You can do any business you want if you know how to market. There's a saying that goes, you're not in the business you're in the business of marketing the business that you're in, right? So if you go out here and start with the easiest business model, make money, which is affiliate marketing, what do you think you're going to learn first? Marketing. That's the number 1 high income skill that you learn. So once you are tired of affiliate marketing, for example, you can take those skills that you learned and you can take the money that you earned, you can reinvest both the skills and the money that you made and start whatever business that you want, and it will most likely be successful because you're going to be an expert marketer. So those are my 8 secrets that allow me to make $300,000 to $500,000 every single year in profit, promoting other people's products, leveraging automated systems, and using free traffic. If this sounds really cool to you and you want to learn more, go ahead and find the link below this video that will take you over to the 100% free course that I created for you. This free course will teach you more about each of these 8 secrets. It takes about 90 minutes. And when you're done with that, you're going to know how to create funnels, drive free traffic, and you're going to be ready to start making money with affiliate marketing and growing your skill set. If you're watching this on YouTube, you can find that free course linked in the description. And if you're watching this video somewhere else, there's probably a button right below this that will take you right over so you can get registered for free at the 90-minute affiliate challenge. If you do have any questions, reach out and let me know. And if you want to be successful, be willing to leave your comfort zone right now. Put in the effort to learn. What I have to teach to you is maybe someday you can quit your job and live the laptop lifestyle just like I do.